Hey, I'm Jonathan Porter and I'm a CS Manager at McGowan Hurst Clark & Smith. In this video I'm excited to talk about the upcoming filing deadlines with 1099s and W2s. Yeah, I know, necessary evil, but things have changed for 2018. I want to make sure I share what exactly is going on this year. First, I'm going to start talking about the basics of what a W2 and 1099 are and who should get what. You'll issue a W2 to a worker that you have classified as an employee and a 1099 to an independent contractor. There are a lot of different tests to see if the worker should be classified as an employee or independent contractor, but it basically comes down to how much control an employer has over the work being completed. The more control an employer has, the more likely they should be classified as an employee. Employers are required to withhold and remit FICA taxes on employees, but not independent contractors. If you pay a worker and they are not classified as an employee, then they will be an independent contractor and you will be required to send them a 1099 if you paid them over $600 in fees for the calendar year. It is important to make sure you have collected W-9s for these independent contractors to determine their Social Security number or EIN to see if any type requires a 1099. 1099s are sent to all entities except corporation. For W-2s, you're required to deliver your employees' W-2s by January 31st. Also, the deadline to submit your W-2s to Social Security Administration by paper or electronically is January 31st. You're required to electronically file your W-2s if you have greater than 250 forms. With the forms, we want to remind employers to include S corporation owners' health insurance and personal auto usage amounts of company-owned vehicles on their employees' W-2s. The state of Iowa has also issued new rules regarding W-2s. Starting with 2018, employers are required to electronically file all W-2s that include Iowa income tax withholding using their e-file and pay system, which is located on the Iowa Department of Revenue's website, by January 31st. There is a special format that the W-2s will need to be in to be uploaded successfully, which is detailed on their website. If you have any questions over any of this, please reach out to your professional. For 1099 miscellaneous forms, there is a change with the filing due date. For non-employee compensation, which is the box you would select on the 1099 miscellaneous forms for independent contractors, those 1099s are due on January 31st for mailed or electronic forms. Also, if you file any 1099s after January 31st, you will be required to file all forms with non-employee compensation separately from any other 1099s with any other items. So if you have 1099s for non-employee compensation and rent, you will need to send 2 batches to the IRS. It will be very important to give us the complete independent contractor information all at once. Hopefully I'll give you a little bit more guidance with the filing requirements this year. Be sure to check out our YouTube video for other valuable topics to view, learn, and share. If you have any questions, please give us a call, drop us an email, or stop by. We're always happy to help. Thanks.